It's been a hot minute since I've started the vlog this early. It is currently 5:20 a.m. I'm about to head to spin class, which is my first class of 2020, which is so crazy considering it's already February. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick and then I'm gonna get going. I just have a super simple outfit on. My crop top's from Shein. I have some leggings on from LA Activewear with my little blue Adidas. I like the blue and black and gray look. Got my water bottle and my phone and we're ready to go. It is so cold outside. It's 33 degrees. My windshield is frozen and it's like little rain pellets, so it's like reflecting really funny. But good morning, happy Wednesday. I thought I'd bring you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog. It's gonna be a really exciting, fun day, and I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kelly. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I will just bring you guys along with me throughout the day. I just finished putting my makeup on. It turned out a little bit more glam than normal, but you know, I'm here for it. It's cute. I switched up my highlight and I think that's what made the biggest difference. I went back to using this Rach Loves Pixie palette and using the shade Clutch. I stopped using this palette just since I shattered it and like totally forgot I had it. But I love the highlights and I just think it turned out really pretty. So I'm just putting some jewelry on. So I went to spin this morning as I told you guys, and it was seriously crazy. So I mean, like, I've been working out since I got back from France, but like France was like a 3-week trip and I had like injury before, so I wasn't at the same fitness level I was when I was doing spin every single day. And you guys, it was insane. I lasted about 30 minutes, which I knew I would only be there for around 30 minutes just because of my time crunch this morning, but whew, your girl survived. I did it and it was a really fun workout. I'm excited to go back. It's crazy to believe it's already February and that was my first spin class of the year, but you know, it was a good one, so I'm super happy about that. But I'm going to show you guys my outfit real quick and then I'm going to go grab breakfast, and then I think I'm going to call Maylise on my way to school just because it is like an hour commute and we have to catch up. I haven't talked to her in a hot minute. So this is the outfit of the day. It is all black. I think it's such a fun, simple outfit. I know I'm not wearing any pink, but I do have a pink bracelet on, but me and John are going to a concert right after school, so I figured this would just be like an easy like transitional from school to the concert outfit. The top is from Topshop. It has little scallops on the sleeve and on the bottom, but I tucked it in, and then my skinny jeans are just from Abercrombie and Finch, and then I have these little boots on that are from H&M. I'm in the car on the way to class right now. It's seriously warmed up quite a bit. And by that I mean it's 2 degrees warmer. It's 35 degrees. I'm so excited. It's gonna be such a fun day. Like I mentioned, me and John are going to a concert tonight. We are seeing DABABY, which John's a huge fan of. I honestly really like his music, so I'm super excited. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and I figured it'd be fun to vlog it and bring you guys along with us. And I'm just on my way to class. I'm listening to my 2020 playlist on Spotify, which is linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. I'm about to hit the highway, so I will update you guys in a little bit. So I've just been sitting at my desk for a while. I got home from school about an hour ago. I made lunch. I just had like fruit and like some rice cakes with peanut butter. It was seriously so good. I have been editing and uploading my video that's going up today. It is a what's in my purse video with Teddy Blake, and it's seriously so cute, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. And John is on his way to pick me up soon. I usually drive to school myself, but since we're going to a concert right after school, we just figured this was the best way. So I have our concert tickets printed. I'm seriously so stinking excited, you guys. I haven't been to a concert at all this year. I mean, it's only February. It's gonna be so much fun, and I will bring you guys along with me and keep you guys updated. So that is a quick little update. John should be here soon, and then we're gonna get to our second class and then go to the concert. All right, guys, so we just got out of class. We are going to see DABABY. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. It's like 5. How long is the drive?
It's pretty much 2 hours on the dot.
Ooh, we got playlists on Spotify. We're gonna jam out. Is DABABY on the playlist?
Yes, he's like 50% of the playlist.
Look at us. And eat some food. Alright, you guys, it is the next day. we had fun at the Baby concert.
It was a good concert, yes.
It was fun.
He was 2 hours late.
Yes. So it was a long concert, but it was a lot of fun. It was definitely different. It was my first rap concert. It wasn't your first?
It was my second rap concert.
Okay. And it's definitely a different vibe.
How ironic that he has a song named
But it was a lot of fun, and it was a long drive to get there, but it was totally worth it. That lady just smiled at me. We're gonna go get dinner now. Bye.